Okay, so we had a little bit of snow last night. It's supposed to get down to like minus 20 degrees on Friday. Today's Wednesday, so it's supposed to get pretty cold. But yesterday we got this. I can't see the top. Let me get in the truck. Well, if you can see it, 1,000-pound motorcycle lift. So let's get this out of the truck and get the Springer up on it. Okay, so if you can see down there, we ended up getting this in, getting it off the truck. Not too bad, kind of a pain. You know, nothing like the quality of my last lift table, but it's almost 1/3 the cost of my last one too. So, you know, this should be fine for what we're going to be doing on this. So we got some work to do on it. We got to put the, you know, some wheels on it. We already got a set of wheels on the front. We got to put some cotter pins in it and some washers. So let's do that. Okay, so it doesn't look like they included enough washers. There's missing a lock washer and 3 regular washers. So I'll have to improvise and maybe get on the hardware store later on and get some. Okay, so here it is. You know, not a bad table, I guess. They were missing some of the washers in it. Now, I've seen reports of people putting a screw here because I guess when you come on this thing, this kind of wants to, this plate here kind of wants to, if I can get it in the frame there, it kind of wants to kick out when you come on. I probably put another set of U clamps here just to check it out, but we'll get the you know, we're gonna get the bike up on here probably tomorrow. I gotta move these 2 bikes forward so there's plenty of room on both sides to work, and that way we can get at these 2 bikes for the summer. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna start you know, working on the motor in the next few days once we get it up on the lift and secured. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me some comments below. What do you think? Have you used this table before? Were you thinking about getting a Harbor Freight lift table? And I'll do a review later on down the road about what my experiences with this is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.